Hey, good day, everybody. Today's sneak peek is really exciting. I just wanted to jump in and show it to you. I'm on a dev environment, so we'll make some allowances. This is Steve Hess, VP of Product at OpenBOM. I'd like to show you a new command. These are the send item commands. Send items to our ERP systems. I'm going to show you this one in a little more detail, but this is where I've got a single item in a BOM or in a purchase order, and I want to send it to wherever it needs to go. So let me take you through it. So first of all, everybody's seen the bike BOM, and I'm just going to jump over to this. I happen to have connections to this account to my Visma ERP system, as well as Xero and QuickBooks. So let me show you how those work. This is really simple. I think everyone has seen in some earlier videos that I've got the bicycle in my Visma account. Let's focus on this 1361 reflector kit assembly. So here we go. I've decided within my organization that this needs a new description. We're going to change it to reflector kit assembly large. And since I have a OpenBOM for Visma subscription, I get a command here: send item to Visma Business NXT. Let me take you through this. Again, keep in mind I'm on a dev environment here, so I may need to authenticate or do some other things. But once I authenticate, I will get the Visma for OpenBOM for Visma UI here, and either I or my administrator has set up the property mapping, and all I do is click export item, and I get a message that the 1361 is being sent to Visma and that it's done. So let's just jump over there. Watch this line item down here. I'm just going to do a refresh within Visma, and we see that it quickly became large. It became the large description. So the message here is that I no longer have to send the entire BOM just to update a couple of items in my ERPs. It's going to be the same for NetSuite, Odoo, whatever ERPs you're running. NetSuite is a little different. It's in the NetSuite context, but you'll see it. Okay, so let's take a look at something else. Let's go look at a couple of purchase orders, and I'm just going to focus in on this Spacely Sprockets PO here. And the reason I'm coming to purchase orders is because Xero and QuickBooks are integrated through the PO. They're more of a financial products. So same thing here applies. If I've made some changes to any of these and I just want to right mouse, you'll see that I now, in the context of a purchase order, I've got a little different. I've got send to Xero or send to QuickBooks. So same experience applies. If I'm in a PO, I'll get the financial packages that I have subscriptions for there. And if I am in a bill of material, I'll get the ERPs here. Again, the example here is Visma, but it works for all the other ERP integrations. So that is a send item to ERP and financial packages. It will be out here in the next week or so. That'll be the first week in November 2025. Look forward to hearing from you at support@openbom.com. Thanks.